Governor Kim Reynolds is making more efforts to tighten abortion laws in Iowa. She and her legal team have filed a motion to challenge the injunction on the state's fetal heartbeat bill. Now, it is the latest move in an ongoing legal saga surrounding the bill, which outlaws abortions at 6 weeks of pregnancy. It was passed by the legislature and signed by Governor Reynolds back in 2018. However, a permanent injunction was enacted by the court in early 2019. Reynolds and her legal team now are asking the court to dissolve that decision based on Iowa's Supreme Court decision to overturn a previous ruling on a right to abortion in the state and SCOTUS's overruling of Roe v. Wade earlier this summer. Chair of the Iowa Democratic Party, Ross Wilbur, responding to Governor Reynolds' motion, saying, quote, "Control over your own body gets at the heart of what it means to be free. This move by Kim Reynolds is against the will of the people," end quote. Planned Parenthood, the petitioners in the case, told Local 5 Governor Reynolds' move to revive the 6-week abortion ban is both dangerous to women's health and cruel. She should let people live their lives without coercion from the state.